Today, the Barry Harris event takes place as part of the Jubilee. This is a very important person in the past of KC Jazz, a person who passed away a couple of years ago, but who really has set a strong footprint on the curriculum of KC Jazz.
My very first memory of Barry Harris is, quite frankly, the first time that I had the opportunity to meet him. He was doing a residency over the course of several months in the city in the United States where I went to college. And I went to hear him teach. And the very first time I heard him teach, I knew he was the one for me. I knew he was the teacher that I wanted to follow.
For me, Barry is the essence of jazz.
Barry was the go-to guy to learn about applicable jazz harmony and a way to play jazz.
And I can say that I didn't learn more from anyone else than from him. He was the person that had so much things, very practical things to practice that really helped a lot of students out a lot.
Two of the founders of the Barry Harris Institute are alumni of KC Jazz. So today they teach during the workshop, and tomorrow they will perform with our big band. So everything comes together. The current students, our teachers of course, plus those alumni who went on with the Barry Harris music in the US and with whom we kept contact for future plans and stuff.
It's essential to play with older, more experienced, more accomplished musicians when you're up-and-coming musician, because that's how you learn. Actually, the music's passed on by osmosis. It's by being around it. You can't study the real-life experience of playing and performing. That has to be something that you experience in person.
So it's just great to have a community of people around you where you're playing together, we're all working together towards this singular goal of making the music and making it sound good. And just to be able to do that gives you an immense sense of gratification.
It is important that our current students become aware of both his legacy, his knowledge, and his approach of playing jazz. And the way to make this, to make the strongest impact is when they really perform the music instead of just doing another workshop. It really makes sense for them to really play the music, the arranged music of Barry Harris, so that practically they step into the footsteps of him.